So I do have to say, even on version 11, freeway driving, they've done a great job with. I mean, if you're going to be on the freeway for a long drive or your commute or whatever, you're going to be very comfortable with FSD on the freeway. Super basic rules, not complicated. The car totally crushes it. Can you guys see how beautiful those mountains are up there with these clouds? Man, it's a really, really beautiful day out here. Wow. Alright, so handling this great. We're still doing great. Let me just see. Okay, 1.2 miles it's got to get onto Lark. Let's see how this does. Alright, so we're getting some rain. Okay, they're on auto, so let's see. I mean, if it doesn't turn on in a second. Okay, there we go. Thank you. Alright, car's getting over. We're slowing down. Awesome job. Let's see how the auto wiper's doing. Auto wiper's doing good. So I'm gonna push on the acceleration. Just this guy's behind us. The car was slowing down a little too much. So the merges are not quite perfect. I mean, that's no doubt about it. The windshield should probably be okay. I mean, it's not too bad. It's not great. It's not too bad. All right, it's getting over again. Now it does struggle in the rain a little bit. This does look like a tough merge. Let's see how the car does. Let's see how the car does. All right, let him go, and then you got to get behind. All right, get over. Get over. Okay, perfect. I mean, that was perfect. There's another car behind us, but just enough room. So that was impressive. That was super impressive. Okay, we're slowing way down. Great. Great. Okay, we want to take a left. Full self-driving degraded. Okay, so the rain is starting to degrade the FSD. You know, that does happen. I've noticed it's been raining a lot here, and I've noticed, yeah, with the rain, it just, I don't know, it struggles a little bit here. I'm gonna just put it like, yeah, I think that's good. Perfect. So the rain's starting to come down harder. When I first started this drive, it wasn't raining. It's starting to rain harder. Saying FSD is degraded, but let's see. I mean, we only have 1.2 miles to go. So I'm gonna pay a lot of attention, have my hands on the wheels, my feet ready, but let's see how it does. I think it can get us there. Alright. Let's make a nice left here. Make a nice left. Okay. So it definitely turned into this middle lane and not the outside lane where the white strips were indicating, but full self-driving is degraded. Okay. So once they get over, there's a car. So is it going to speed up and get in? Can it do it? Let's see. You got to get in. Okay, so it is pulling in. Well done. Let's see. It says FSD degraded. Okay, there's no cars. Let's go. So I did push on the acceleration there. It was taking it fine, but it was slowing down maybe a little bit more than needed. Okay, switching lanes. All right, there is a car on the left. I know the car sees it. So let it go. Doing good, doing good. Okay, so we're about half a mile up to the left. So it'll be interesting to see how it does. I mean, the rain's coming down pretty heavily right now. All right, might be a good time to get over. Do you want to get over? Yeah. Okay, perfect. Okay, so you know that's perfect. That's exactly what I would have done as a driver. Hey, that car got in the left-hand turn lane. We need to turn left very shortly. Let's get in this lane. So that was perfect. That was absolutely perfect. All right, so the new chargers are up on our left. I'm not sure if we're gonna make a left or a U-ey here, but we definitely got to turn. All right. So it's coming up. It's slowing down. Oh. Can it go? Okay. All right. Boom, boom. Now this is a very tight parking lot, so let's see how it does. It has me going right, but I need to go left. Okay, perfect. It switched. Well done. It says FSD is degraded. Stop sign. Got the stop sign. All right, let's go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. So yeah, I mean, it seems like when it comes to parking, obviously the car is doesn't really have that fully enabled yet. Let's see how we're doing with the V4. I've just taken over. Okay, we got one that's open. Oh, no, it's not open. So we'll come wait over here on the side. Oh. All right. Well, we'll maybe go. Oh, did somebody leave? Okay. No, not yet. Trick me. All right, we'll just park over here actually, because then it gives me a better view of the chargers. All right. Yeah, so that way I can see all the chargers. Oh. Okay. So there is one available right there in the corner, which I just didn't see, I guess. All right, so let's see if we can get in here. Okay, so we are taking this, doing very good. All right, so I am at, let's see, let's do this thing wet, but I'm definitely showing you guys what's going on with the V4 Supercharger. Okay, so my car is at 24%. It's 59 degrees. All right, we're gonna get this ready. Open charge port. Okay, cool. So here is the new V4 Supercharger. In fact, someone is selling a Cybertruck, all-wheel drive, dual motor, 340-mile range, delivery within 30 days, Cyber Beast, if interested, looking for motivated buyers only. So obviously they're trying to sell it for a lot of money, but I don't blame them. All right, so here's the V4 plug. There's a screen here, but I don't think it's doing anything. Comes right out of there. See how it does. So it's a little heavier than the V3 one for sure. I mean, it's heavier, it's bigger, it's bulkier, but yeah, this one looks like it's it looks like it has the CCS on here. Potentially you could pull it out. I don't know if this does anything. Okay, we're connected into a brand new V4. Let's see how the charging is going. Okay. All right. So it looks like we're at, if you can see that, 229 kilowatts, which is super good. 221 estimated charge. I just want to go to 80%, 25 minutes. So, you know, it's definitely an improvement, but I wouldn't say, until the V4 cabinets come out, I wouldn't say V4 is, version 4 of the posts is going to make much of a difference. You know, I listened to a breakdown of the technology in the new V4 posts, and basically through liquid cooling, they can pump a bunch more electricity through these posts safely, but they need the new cabinets and they haven't got there yet. So yeah, now we're down to 196, 30%, 25 minutes remaining. So 11.4.9 in the rain, so-so in the rain. Without the rain, it does very well. Hoping version 12 comes out any day now, for my car at least. And you know, these new V4 posts, they're big, they're much bigger than the V3 posts. That's because of all the cooling and new technology in it. I show that information for the Cybertruck if that's something you're interested in. But yeah, I will be making more videos. I'm going to be driving my car from California to Texas later this week, so I will definitely make some videos about that, record some good information. But yeah, V4, okay? So catch you later. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy the videos. Cool, thank you.